Caribbean farmers are choosing power. AgroAsia delivers. Now delivering trusted agricultural machinery to farmers in Barbados, Jamaica, Guyana, Antigua, Trinidad and Tobago, and Suriname. Across the Caribbean, farmers trust AgroAsia for reliability, durability, and performance in every field. Featuring global brands like Massey Ferguson, New Holland, and John Deere, built to handle every farming challenge. Top models like MF385, MF375, and New Holland TT75, delivering unmatched power and efficiency. Complete solutions with plows, harrows, planters, and harvesters to maximize your productivity. Get our exclusive combo pack, tractor with disc plow, disc harrow, and planter, all in one complete package at a special discounted price. AgroAsia Tractors, trusted by Caribbean farmers. Delivered worldwide.